Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation today. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Johar Supiariada and my partner is...
Name is Muhammad Sidki Firmansyah.
My name is Paniananda Putri.
My name is Warani Ekaningsih.
My name is Yeni Dwi Sasmita.
In this opportunity, I would like to presentation about the experience of learning English. Impression with studying English. When we first studied English, we thought when we first learned English, we thought it was very boring, difficult, not easy to read, not easy. The learning must be difficult. We still think not boring, easy, no, but fun and little challenge. Translation to first speaker, how Muhammad Sidki Firmansyah will talk about his experience.
Okay, thank you, Zohar. Something that happened difficultly with the given test. The tale about what happened the first time ma'am gave me an assignment. I was confused because one of the texts given was in the form of voice note, but it turned out to be not as difficult as I thought. Our next speaker is Dauhar Sofiariada, who will talk about her experience.
Something that happened, boring and not easy to understand. The tale about what happened. The first time I learned English, I thought it was boring and not easy to understand because I don't understand English. But it turned out to be quite fun and easy to understand. Our next speaker is Fani Ananda Putri, who will talk about her experience.
Okay, thank you, Johar. Something that happened, not interested, quite difficult to learn and understand. The tale about what happened, the first time, I think learning an international language like English is quite difficult. Because many of the pronunciation are the same but have different meanings. But so far, I don't think English is too difficult because at every web meeting or meme, delivered the material well and easy to understand. Okay, our next speaker is Yeni Dwi Sasmita, who will talk about her experience.
Something that happened, my impression of learning English. I thought learning English was complicated, difficult and boring, but after learning it turned out to be not as complete as I thought. Detail about what happened, I still think English is still complicated to understand, but after learning English, I understand a lot of new vocabulary. Our next speaker is Wardani Ekaningsih, who will talk about her experience.
Something that happened, I don't like it. It is too difficult and boring. To tell about what happened. When I first started learning English, I was not interested and it made it difficult for me to understand a paragraph over time, I'm starting to feel interested and begin to understand it.
The presentation of Group 6, more of a story. Thank you for listening. See you and thank you.